Who's that?
My grandnephew, August.
How many times has this kid been handed off?
6.
6?
Your mom must be having a great time in heaven, huh?
She's gone, and nothing we do can bring her back.
The most important days in your life are the day you were born and the day you figure out why. The chance of that ostrich egg hatching are slim to none.
It's coming. It's time, it's time, it's time. Yes!
What happens when it gets too big to handle?
If I had wings, I'd use them. Fly! Fly! Fly, Koobus! Uh-oh. That's your bird.
Did we get it right?
Be careful! Don't upset it!
The substantial injuries suffered by these children provide due course for the bird's immediate removal to Steenkamp Farms.
This bird is a member of our family. You were tearing this kid's heart out.
We'll get out of here and never ever come back.
August? They're gone.
If we ever get lost, we'll be able to find each other. Yay! Go, Koobus!
He's riding it?
Yeah, he's riding it.
Who does that?
Well, that's a thing here.
Now streaming exclusively on Angel.